Hi friend, this is us. You're watching Mr. An's channel on YouTube. In this video, we're gonna learn what are headings in our HTML web page. When a user open your web page, first thing he see is your headings. First thing he see is your body of the web page. For example, this thing. Sorry. This is the first thing that users see after opening your website. Headings. For example, you are writing article on a WWE Monday Night Raw show. So you have to write first heading and then you will start your paragraph. In this video, we're gonna learn how to add headings in our web page. First of all, our document type is HTML. Okay. Next, we have starting our HTML tag. In the head, this is the thing, the address of our web page name. In the head you will write this is title tag, title opening tag, this is my website address, Mr. Ans, and next I am closing this title tag, okay, with a slash. So now I am closing head tag. Here I started my head tag. Sorry. In the head we write the web address, web page, okay, and next after head we write our website name. For example, Mr. Ans. So this is my website name, and then I am closing head. And after your body of the web page start, first thing that people see in your video, in your web page, is body. So I am starting this body tag, and this is our heading h1. We are closing our heading tag, and this is the heading on the web page. You can also add head 2, head 3, head 4 up to head 6, but they will not be bold as this head 1 is. You can check it. So here you can see we have three headings. We have first heading, we have second heading, and we have third heading. So these heading will always in the body of the HTML web page. And now we are closing our body. We are closing our body because this was, we are opening our body, and then we are closing our HTML tag because we started our HTML tag here. So this was, now we will see the output of this whole. Copy it, notepad, paste it here, save it as HTML. So now we will see our result. So here you can see you have three headings. Okay, you have three heading. Here you can see this is my website address, Mr. Ans. This is in the head portion, and in the body we have three headings. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.